Hey everyone, this is Ceramic Bunny, bird feeder, and Sunflower and Bird's Den from Ms. Margaret Meacham, 13 at 1. Copy the list. Go live. 11:12. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 11:12. We have a 2. That won't work. We have a 7. 11:12. Hmm. 11 items on the list. Let me see what the original was. I know she took away 2 spots. It looks like just spots 1 and 2 were taken, so 11 must be correct. Okay, just double checking on that. Okay, we've got 7 on the dice. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6th time, there's still 11 items on the list. Stephanie is on the top. Miss Jessie Blackwell is on the bottom. We've randomized 6 times. The dice call for a 7. 11:13, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 5, Miss Dorothy Ponder is the winner. Congrats, Miss Dorothy. 11 items on the list, 7 times. The dice call for a 7. We are done. 11:14. Thanks, everyone.